How to refuel a Zipcar with the fuel card. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Zipcar app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, here it will directly lead you to the Drive section, or you can click on Drive at the bottom and then it will lead you to this page. Here you'll find the fuel level. And if you can't find the fuel card or fuel level, what you can do is simply click on report. After you click on report in here, it will notify Zipcar's official of the vehicle issue, and they will directly get back to you and solve your issue as soon as possible. After you do this, you're good to go. This is how to refuel a Zipcar with the fuel card. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.